Hey guys, today we've got a 24 pack of canister shells, and this pack actually has 3 different sizes, which is pretty interesting. These are the Tank Busters by Winda Fireworks, and we've got 5-inch, which are in the rack already, single brakes, 6-inch single brakes, 6-inch double brakes, and 7-inch triple brakes in the back. Now, some of you may have noticed that I've got everything out of the box already. The reason for that is because I originally had this part of the video recorded already with the box, pulled everything out of the box on video. I somehow managed to lose all of that footage completely, and I have no idea how. So here I am re-recording this with the box not here because it's in the cardboard recycling because I didn't need it. But yeah, here's what the tube looks like. It's very similar to the box. Basically had that little camo theme there with the tank. If you look at the thumbnail, you can see what the box looked like. All it really said was that it said all the different sizes of the shells. It said 24 shells, 42 brakes. It had pictures on the sides of the actual effects. I don't know if it had anything else. Yeah, we'll go ahead and start off with the 5-inch single brakes, and then we'll go to the 6-inch single brakes, which have whistling tails. These do list the effects on them, which is really hard to see because of the holographic label. They are not numbered, but these are definitely some interesting shells, so I'm looking forward to them. Let's go ahead and see what they do. Alright guys, here goes Tank Busters by Winda, starting off with the 5-inch. Nice, not bad. That go down here is really nice. Alright guys, here goes the 6-inch single brakes. Forgot my safety.
the whistling tails on those. Those are nice. Alright, here goes the 6-inch double brakes. Nice. That one was a pretty low brake there. Alright, here goes the 7-inch triple brakes. Oh, we got a double.
Yeah, so those were pretty nice shells. I'm just taking the tape off of these. So yeah, those shells were pretty nice. I did really like the 6-inch single brakes because they had the whistling tails, and the 7-inch triple brakes were pretty cool too. I don't know why, but I'm really a big fan of multi brakes. They're just really loud and cool. But yeah, speaking of the 7-inch triple brakes, those were dedicated to the birthday of a very special person that I know. Their name is Noah. Their birthday is on April 22nd, which is coming up, although this video won't be posted till after that. So, but anyways, happy birthday, Noah. I hope 18 treats you well. Also, these shells actually, one of them did have a failure. It looks like the third brake didn't go off. I think it was the fourth one. It was either the third or the fourth one. There's a goose. But yeah, these last ones were pretty nice. And yeah, the reason I said when I did the first one, I thought there was going to be a jump fuse because I thought the second one lit off too, but I guess it didn't. So that's why I thought there was going to be a double. So, but yeah, these are really nice shells. I definitely recommend these. And these were like really cheap compared to most of the regular packs, which is very strange because most of the time assortments like these, like the ones with the multiple different sizes of shells and stuff, are way more expensive, but these were like, I guess someone wanted to show off. So yeah, these were a little bit cheaper than your normal packs of canister shells that are all the same size, but since this had 3 different sizes and different kinds of effects, it was a little bit cheaper either way. So, but yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video.